60 million years ago. After an asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs, the world didn't fall silent. It got stranger. In the steamy, ancient rainforests of what is now South America, a new ruler emerged. This wasn't a dinosaur, and it wasn't a crocodile. It was a snake, but a snake of unimaginable proportions. This was Titanoboa, longer than a school bus and heavier than a car. It was the undisputed king of the Paleocene epoch. Its discovery in a Colombian coal mine shocked the world. Scientists unearthed vertebrae the size of grapefruits, revealing a creature that measured over 40 feet long and weighed nearly 2,500 pounds. How did it get so big? The world was a hothouse, much warmer than today, which allowed cold-blooded reptiles to reach colossal sizes. Titanoboa was an ambush predator lurking in murky rivers. It hunted giant turtles and crocodiles, using its immense coils not to suffocate, but to crush its prey with bone-shattering force. This was a true monster, a forgotten giant that proves the age of titans didn't end with the dinosaurs. If you were fascinated by this prehistoric beast, hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible stories from our planet's ancient past. While Titanoboa was a king, it wasn't the only giant in its kingdom. Imagine this, a swamp filled with 20-foot-long crocodiles, all vying for the same territory. The relationship between these massive predators was complex. Titanoboa, the constrictor, likely specialized in huge, slow-moving prey like giant turtles. The crocs, with their powerful jaws, were better at snatching fast fish and land animals. So, why did Titanoboa get so huge in the first place? It was a perfect storm. The super warm Paleocene climate, an incredibly productive ecosystem with endless food, and very little competition from mammals, which were still small at the time. But this golden age couldn't last. A massive global warming event, the PETM, disrupted everything. As the climate later cooled and mammals rose, the world changed. The era of the giant snake was over. Today, Titanoboa's fossils are a window into a lost world, teaching us about past climates and the incredible limits of evolution. Thank you for watching. If you found this fascinating, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories from deep time.